All right, good afternoon everybody. I'm Drew Waltz, the training manager for IRISS. Today we're going to talk about the Sonus XT. We're here at our Smart Training Center, so we're actually going to go into our electrical training room. And I'm going to show you how to hook up this Sonus XT to some of our ports and show you how to actually record some sound waves with our phone app as well too. So you'll get a good idea what functionality of this equipment is and what our ports can do. So let's go see what we can do today. All right, so here we are in an electrical training facility. And right now I'm going to show you a couple of our ports. The first one I'd like to show you is the VP12 US. This is an Airborne ultrasound port. If you have the unit with your headphones on, you could actually listen into what's going on directly through the opening. Just seal up on it, and then this allows the user to interface with whatever may be occurring inside. And then we also have the VPDS, which is nice because you can actually remove your module. Simply take it out of the front, then transition over to our cable that we have. We also have this cable available for all makes and models of ultrasound devices to plug in to the front of the device. And same thing, now we get a reading. You don't have to worry about any air infiltration or pressure differentials when you open up the cabinet. So this is a really quick and easy way. So what we're going to do is we're actually going to transition to our actual energized piece of equipment that we can generate some sound and let you hear it. So let's go see what we can do now. So now what we're going to do is we've got one of our Flex IRs here, and the Flex IR has a 3.5 millimeter jack with a transducer on the inside. So this plugs into the front, and you can see I'm getting a reading going on currently, running about 50 decibels. That's a simulator. I haven't run into anything electrically that high yet as far as arcing or anything goes, but it just allows the operator to hear what's going on. I didn't have to expose myself to any potential danger, so I just plug right in. So now let's take a look at the Airborne option that we have. All right, so now I'm going to show you our other Flex IR series with a PD port. So this is an Airborne opening that, much like our 3.5 headphone jack, just allows us to scan real quick and easy to listen in on what's going on. So now let's let you listen and hear what's going on. Alright, so now I'm going to show you how to connect your Sonus XT to our phone app. Currently I have an S60 CAT Phone, which has an infrared camera, and I also have it loaded with our Sonus Vue software, which if you take a look right here, currently I have it in the spectrum only mode. I can actually orientate the screen different. You can even go to time signal, and I can also do time and signal together. So by recording this, I've already hit the record button, I hit stop, then I can actually process this and I can email this to myself, and then I can look at it with the Sonus Vue Pro desktop version, which gives me more power to actually take a look at harmonic indications. So this is a great little handy device to allow us to actually take a look and try to analyze quickly in the field what's going on. But as always with any sound wave, you should always look at a more powerful software. Those little on-screen displays on some of the units that are sold are nice, but they're not as good with the resolution as the desktop version of the software. So I definitely recommend the Sonus Vue Pro after using a couple other platforms. It's got a lot more power, a lot more reporting capability, and it's got a lot more harmonic distinctions that we can do simultaneously that other platforms are limited to. Hope you enjoyed today's video about the Sonus XT and the S60 phone, as well as our infrared windows. If you'd like to have any more information, please contact us at info@iriss.com. You can check out our website. We've got all of our product line as well as classes that we will be teaching here at the IRISS Training Center and around the US. So please check us out again.